Hey everybody, this is Scotty here at Southern Off-Road. We'll take a second and talk to you about another one of these GMC or Chevrolet 2500s on 37s with just a leveling kit. This one is a 2022 GMC Denali 2500. Factory wheels, 37 1150 20s in the Nitto Ridge Grappler. We did the Cognito upper arms and torsion keys with the Fox Performance Series shocks, and then did a small block in the rear. This is becoming a super popular setup to get 37s on the truck. You don't have to go to a full lift to keep the factory wheels, so it keeps the cost of the package down. If you want something like this for your truck or any suspension lift, leveling kits, we'll leave a link in the comments to a form to fill out, and then that'll send it directly into our quoting system, and a member of our team will reach out to you. Or you can email us at sales@southernoffroad.com, or give us a shout at the shop, 205-685-1911.